Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to unpublish a site on Wix. Unpublishing a site isn't deleting it, it's taking it offline temporarily while keeping everything intact. This is useful when you want to make changes privately, pause a project, or fix issues without users seeing them. But if you don't understand what unpublish actually does, you might think your site is gone when it's still fully stored in your account. When you begin, log into your Wix account and go to your dashboard. This is where you manage your site's settings, not the design itself. From the dashboard, click on Settings. This section controls how your site behaves publicly and behind the scenes. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Site, Domain, and SEO. Under this, click on Website Settings. What this section controls. This is where you manage your site's live status. Here, you can see whether your site is published, live and accessible, unpublished, offline and hidden. If your site is currently live, you'll see that it's published. To take it offline, click on the Unpublish button. Wix will ask you to confirm your action. Click Unpublish again to finalize it. What just happened? Your site is now offline, but not deleted. Visitors can no longer access your site, your content is still saved in your account, your design, pages, and data remain unchanged. You can continue editing privately, and nothing is lost. Important clarification. Unpublishing isn't deleting. Unpublished, site is hidden but recoverable instantly. Delete, site is permanently removed. What users see. When your site is unpublished, visitors cannot access it, the domain won't load your site, it may show an error or inactive page. How to publish it again. If you want to bring your site back online, go to your Wix editor. At the top right corner, click on Publish. This makes your site live again instantly. What you just did, big picture. You accessed site-level settings, changed your site's visibility status, took your website offline safely. You controlled when your site is visible to the public. To summarize, unpublishing a site in Wix involves logging into your dashboard, navigating to the Settings section, and accessing the website settings under the Site, Domain, and SEO category. From there, you can click the Unpublish button and confirm your choice, which takes your site offline. While the site becomes inaccessible to visitors, all of its content, design, and data remain muffled within your account. This allows you to continue editing or making changes privately. If you decide to make the site live again, you can simply return to the Wix editor and click the Publish button. Understanding the difference between unpublishing and deleting is essential, as unpublishing is a reversible action that controls visibility, whereas deleting permanently removes the site. And that's how to unpublish a site on Wix. It's simple, but it gives you full control over when your site is live. This is one of those features that's easy to overlook but extremely useful when you need privacy or control during updates. Just be intentional, because if your site is live and important, taking it offline affects real users. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.